Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I am doing this fall tutorial today because everyone's really excited about fall. I am kind of one of those people, but also I'm one of those people that I definitely am not ready for summer to end. Like, I truly think I was born in the wrong state. Fall's fine. Fall's great. I love fall for like a week and then I'm like, all right, we're done. Let's go back to summer. Can we go back? No, we're stuck. Oh, we're gonna keep going to winter. And then we're all miserable. So I guess I kind of resent fall because it just means winter is coming. All right, let's get into the video before I really start feeling myself. Okay, so to get started, I am using a couple different palettes. I don't feel like it's necessary for you to use a couple different palettes. My colors are all over the place. I got my coffee and I'm really jittery because of it. So if you see me shaking, it's because this is my second cup and I usually try to stick to 1 cup a day, but I needed some energy today, you know? You feel me? And I got my water because it's important to stay hydrated, kiddos. So we're gonna be starting off with our Milani eyeshadow primer. It's not my favorite primer in the world, but when you're doing dramatic eye makeup looks, you want to make sure you're using a primer because you can use concealer, but I found that concealer definitely doesn't hold on to the product the way you want it to. And then I'm going to be setting that with my face powder, and setting it will ensure that your colors are going to blend evenly. Going in with my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm just going to be picking up Morocco from Makeup Geek, and this is like an orangey red, and we're going to be popping this right in the crease. And this step is going to take you a minute because I really want to build up the vibrancy of this, and I probably do a good 15-20 passes of shadow before I get to where I want, and you don't want to go above that point. So don't move your brush up, leave it right here. It's okay if this part is messy, obviously, because we're gonna clean it up because I'm doing eyes first. If you don't do eyes first, then maybe be a little more careful with this part, but I really suggest doing eyes first because of all this fallout right here. It's not cute, and honestly, I just don't feel like being careful. I'm already being careful enough. Now that I'm pretty happy with the opacity of that, I am gonna be going into my Naked Heat palette, and I'm going to be using Fuego and a little bit of Ashes, only because these are pretty warm browns and they're deeper, and I don't have a really dark color like this from Makeup Geek. So any dark purpley brown will work, honestly. And I'm gonna be going in with this Naked brush that I think came in with the Naked Heat palette. I'm just gonna go in with this end because it's pretty pointy and we're getting this really in the crease. So I'm gonna go in with Fuego first, and I'm going to be popping this right in the crease, and really be gentle with this. We just want to build it up a little bit. I'm going in with a little bit of Ashes. This color goes a long way. I find this color to not blend very great, so I really have to take my time with this one and really just go back and forth. And you want to make sure the darkest part is up here, because when you cut this crease and you want that contrast, when you cut it, you really want that to be dark. Okay, now I'm gonna be really extra and take my BH 120 color palette. This is the 2nd edition. You guys know I love this thing to death. We're going to the first sheet. I'm gonna be taking this one, any of these oranges honestly will be fine, and any of these yellows like these two right here. We're gonna first blend with the orange and then go into the yellow. And this is also a very tedious process because you are fusing the dark colors with the light colors, and this takes a minute. And you need a lot of patience, okay? And for this, I'm gonna be using my Makeup Geek Soft Dome brush, and this is just a big fluffy blending brush. So, like I said, we're gonna go in with that orange, and I'm not picking up a ton of product. You really wanna build this, and we're just gonna go around the edge of that harsh line to diffuse it. And using the orange and the yellow will just help create a lot of dimension in the look. And when I say this part is very tedious, I ain't lying. So just take your time. And if you find that it's not blending completely, you can always go back in with that Morocco color and like a little tiny bit of that and pop that too. Because since we put that dark color on, this can also act as a blending color now. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that bright yellow and I'm gonna put it right over where I put the orange, a little bit higher. If you get it on the brow bone, that's okay because you can always clean it up with the concealer. And we're just gonna put it right over the orange. And when I feel like I'm losing a little bit of that Morocco color, I just, you know, go back in. Put some in. Warm it up. It's just getting a little too cool for me. I'm just gonna continue blending, going in with colors I think I need to go in with. You know, if I lose some of that orange, I'm gonna go back in with orange. If I lose some of the yellow, I'm gonna go back in with the yellow. Okay, now that I'm fairly happy with that blend, now we're gonna cut the crease. If you're wondering why I'm missing a nail, side note, I had a really bad nail injury like a month ago, 2 months ago, maybe a month and a half ago, where I dropped like a phone, like an actual like handheld phone on it at work, and it like cracked the bottom of my actual nail off, and it was like gushing blood, and it was great. I ended up waiting for it to fall off because that's what all the forums said, because I was not about to go to the ER. And it's finally almost ready for a real nail. But me and my nail guy have an agreement that he won't put it on until I'm ready because I'm still a little scared. To cut the crease, this takes extreme concentration. Extreme concentration. Now I'm taking this BH Cosmetics like flat brush. You see it's flat. You're gonna take your favorite concealer and you're gonna just make a half circle. I'm gonna just show you. I don't even know why I'm explaining like I'm not recording a video right now. I wanna start off with a little bit of concealer, a little bit, and then you can build as you go. Now, I want you to put a little dab right here, and then you're gonna look up. Okay, that marks where you're gonna put your circle. And then you're gonna make sure you go all the way around. Kind of pointy, so I'm gonna clean this up. It's just really hard to do this on camera. Now this eye is weirdly more shaped than this eye, so this circle always ends up being bigger, but I'm just gonna work with it. And then I'm gonna set that with my face powder again. And make sure you set it all and don't set it messily because you will mess up the concealer. When you get up to this, dab it. Now we're gonna go back in with that Morocco color from Makeup Geek and the E25 blending brush from Sigma. You're gonna put this on the outer corners and the inner corner. Corners, plural, same. It's okay if your line disappears in these two spots. It's supposed to happen. Don't bring it in too far. I want to say like just keep your brush in this spot right here and right here. Now I'm gonna go back in with that Ashes color. I'm going in with a pencil brush, and this is an E30 from Sigma as well. And I'm taking just a little bit of Ashes and popping that right in the corners. And this is to give the look a lot of contrast. I'm gonna go back in with the E25 and Morocco and diffuse that just a little bit. I'm gonna take that bright orange from that BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna put this on a flat brush and just dab it right over Morocco. Now we're gonna be taking In the Spotlight by Makeup Geek and putting that right in that blank spot. And for this specific part, I'm using a very small detail brush. This is from my BH Cosmetics brush kit. And I'm also going to be spraying it with a little bit of Milani's Make It Last. Now I'm gonna go back in with Morocco and our E25 and just dust the sides of this. I'm also gonna stretch my lid a little bit and really get in there. Lightly blending. Okay, now that the top is done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera just to keep this video kind of not so boringly long. So I will be back when my face is done. And my face is done. I'm gonna take Morocco and I'm gonna take this little pencil brush. Just gonna dip it into Morocco and run this underneath my lash. I mean, not underneath, on my lash line. Now I'm gonna take Chickadee from Makeup Geek and my soft dome brush again and just run this underneath Morocco to blend it out. Now that the shadow is fully done, I'm gonna go in mascara and I'm using my Essence Lash Princess, and this is the volume one, and I'm just gonna coat my top and bottom. And then I am gonna go ahead and apply lashes off camera, but I am using the Ardell 252. My lashes are on, the consensus on these. The band is just a little too thick and it's hurting my eye. And I can't get it to stay. I am gonna put a little bit of mascara on them just to elongate these long pieces, is what I wanted. Yes. Now, there's definitely glue in my contact. I can't see, but it's fine. We're gonna roll with it. For lips, I am gonna do a dark lip because I'm really feeling it. I haven't done one in so long, so we're gonna do it. I'm gonna be taking ColourPop's Rouge. This is one of my favorite shades in the world. It just makes you look like your teeth look so white, and it's just amazing. Oh, this color is beautiful. Look at my teeth. Seriously. That's crazy. They're like too white. I definitely made this, for the record. It's so cute. Wait, that's definitely backwards. Try that one more time. Ooh, there we go. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had a lot of fun filming it. If you guys want to see more videos from me, hit that subscribe button and like this video so I know that you want to see more content like this, maybe some more fall looks. I was definitely just checking my teeth for lipstick. All right, that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.